Okay, good evening. Welcome to
FunMath99.
FunMath99. We are following the review section in Art of Problem Solving's Chapter 3. So I just made up kind of a word problem, an age word problem here, just to follow that section a little bit, a little review of single variable equations. Are you ready?
Yep.
Ben is 10. Ben's dad is 40. How many years from now will Ben be exactly half as old as his dad? There's a little schmutz on the board, sorry about that. But go ahead, do you understand the problem?
Yep.
Alright, how do you solve a problem like this?
Well, you can let Ben's age equals X, and Ben's dad's equals Y.
Okay. Ben's age is X.
Except Ben's dad is 4 times as old as he is right now.
That's interesting.
So that, well, we could say 4X.
Is it always going to be 4x?
No.
Because next year Ben will be 11 and the dad will be 41.
So we should just leave it as Y.
Maybe. What are we trying to solve for here?
We're trying to solve for the number of years it'll take for Ben to be half as old as his dad.
Okay, so what do we usually call x?
The number of years it'll take.
We usually let x be the thing we're trying to solve for. So why don't you grab that eraser over there? Okay, so x is what we're trying to solve for. Okay. X equals the number of years. Okay?
Yeah.
So how old is Ben in terms of x? How old is Ben in terms of x? X years from now, how old is Ben?
He's age plus he's his age plus X minus X.
X years from now, how old will Ben be?
Ben will be half as old as his dad X years from now.
That's what we're trying to solve for.
Yeah.
Let me ask one more time. X years from now, how old will Ben be?
He'll be his age right now plus X.
Okay, how do we write that?
We need to choose, it's 10 plus X.
10 plus x. X years from now, Ben will be 10 plus x years old. Okay, so I think you got a little confused at the beginning of this problem. See if you can go from here. Okay, x is the number of years. That's what we're trying to solve for.
Yeah.
X years from now, Ben will be 10 plus x. What's next?
Dad.
Okay. We shouldn't do these late in the day because spelling dad is even hard. Okay. All right.
Dad is 40 plus X.
Okay, so x years from now, the dad is 40 plus x.
Well, now we have a little...
What's the equation we're going to try to write down?
40 plus X equals 2 times 10 plus X.
Ah, okay, very good. Because that's the dad's age, and Ben's going to be half of that. So in other words, 2 times Ben's age is the dad's age. Okay?
So this is 40 plus X equals 20 plus 2X.
All right.
We can subtract 20 from both sides. And then subtract X from both sides. So we get X equals 20.
Okay. Now you flipped it over here. The x is really on this side, 2x minus
20
x.
is X.
And 40 minus x,
And
so
the
you
equation
flipped it
is
around.
It's still the same thing.
Yeah, I just wanted to say how that came. Okay, so x equals 20 now. Let's go back and check.
So in 20 years, Ben will be 30.
Okay,
In 20 years, his dad will be 60.
does that work?
Yep.
Okay. Good job. Sort of. But okay, so let's review this problem. A lot of times, and certainly most of the times for now, when we have a word problem like this, it's good to just say, what are we trying to solve for? We're trying to solve for the number of years, so let's let that be x. Okay?
Yeah.
X years from now, Ben will be 10 plus x years old. So in other words, 2 years from now, he'll be 12. 10 years from now, he'll be 20. Or 20 years from now, he'll be 30, right?
Yeah.
X years from now the dad will be 40 plus X years old. And the equation we're trying to solve is, give me the marker, the dad's age, 40 plus X, is 2 times Ben's age. Okay? And when that equation is solved when X equals 20. Okay? Got it?
Yep.
Alright. Good job.